In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo in Webflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on refining your website's design or troubleshooting a change, knowing how to effectively redo your last action can be a huge time saver. So let's dive right in and master this quick and useful skill. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in to Webflow. If you haven't already, navigate to Webflow's login page and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all of your projects. From here, locate the project you want to work on. Every project is likely displayed in a tile format, so simply click on the one that corresponds to the website you need to edit. After selecting your site, you'll be directed to the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens. It's the interface that allows you to build, edit, and visually develop your web pages. If you're not familiar with the layout, take a moment to get your bearings. The designer can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Most of what you need lies within easy reach. Now, to access the redo function, look at the top left corner of the designer interface. You'll see the Webflow logo there. Clicking on this logo will open a menu that reveals a variety of options, including the all-important redo feature. This menu is quite handy for quick navigation, but for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Webflow has got you covered too. For most users who love the efficiency of keyboard shortcuts, simply press Shift plus Control plus Z. This combination will instantly redo your last action, saving you clicks and precious time. If you're using a Mac, remember to use Shift plus Command plus Z instead. This specific shortcut is helpful when you're deep in the creative process and need to backtrack and redo multiple actions rapidly without having to step away from the keyboard. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to redo in Webflow. This simple action, while seemingly small, can significantly enhance your workflow. It provides a seamless way to step through your design iterations and ensure that your creative vision comes to life just as you intended. With practice, you'll find this process become second nature, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, creating beautiful, effective web experiences. Keep practicing, and you'll only get better. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.